EDGECAM 2025, a new tagging option has been added to wire 2-axis, 4-axis and smart cycles. This prevents an early intervention by the machine operator when a long tag has been specified. The Technology Assistant interface has been enhanced to support multiple types of cutting data storage, so we are no longer restricted to general and finish. Automation routines such as EDGECAM Strategy Manager can access the most appropriate cutting data for the task at hand. This gives great control over the control of speeds and feeds in conjunction with the control of the depth of cut. A new modifier has been added to the roughing cycle on the Depth tab called Prioritize Additional Cuts. Additional cuts are the planes created by intermediate cuts and flat land. This new option changes the order so that after each cut increment, the additional passes are completed before moving on to the next cut increment. The advantage is that a shorter tool can potentially be used as the holder will not hit the uncut material from the previous main pass. This release sees the official release of the brand new cycle called Raceline Finishing. It has the same controls as the profile cycle, with the addition of the model type and solid face, solid, surface and wireframe modifiers. It's been updated to include the Use Check Fixture modifier which, when checked, will avoid the currently active fixtures. The cycle allows you to select the start side. This is particularly useful for closed shapes, such as oil seal faces on engine blocks. Often there is little room to start on the outside due to fixtures, so the inside is preferred. The modifier gives you the option to select nearest, outside and inside. The 5-axis cycle has been updated to include a strategy called Flowline. This strategy machines a surface or face by following the flow of the surface. When the strategy is set to Flowline, the flow direction modifier is available, and you can choose between long side and short side of the surface. The toolpath will then follow along the selected option. The 5-axis cycle has been updated to include a new lead type called Automatic. This method specifies a lead in/out radius but allows it to be reduced to ensure a lead can be fitted. The 5-axis cycle has been enhanced to include 3 additional modifiers from the advanced 5-axis cycle when the gouge check strategy, tilt away is selected. This gives greater control of the machine's behavior in hard-to-reach areas. With these enhancements, it is now possible to fully automate the EDGECAM 5-axis environment by using PCI templates.